Today we're going to be practicing some skip counting. Now there are 5 screens for each counting. What I mean by that is there are 5 counting by ones, 5 counting by twos, 5 counting by fives, and 5 counting by tens. So you need to make sure that you're paying attention to the top words that tell you what you're counting by. So as you're counting, you have some yellow question marks that you'll have to fill in. The counting always goes from left to right, first row, and then it continues on the second row. So if I was counting by ones as it tells me to do, I would go 2. The number that comes after 2 is 3 if I'm counting by ones. So I double click that and type the 3. 4, 5, 6. I know the next number is 7, so I'm going to double click the question mark and type a 7. 8, and then the last one will be 9. That's all you have to do. Just fill in the missing numbers. Now let's do one that's counting by twos. Counting by twos, I'm going to start with 16. If I wanted 2 more than 16, I would go 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to double click my question mark and type 18. Then keep going. 2 more than 18 is 20. 2 more than 20 is 22. Then 24. Then the next one would be 26. Then I have 28, and then 2 more than 28 is 29, 30. So I double click my question mark and type in 30, just like that. Let's try a counting by 5 one. This one's pretty simple. I'm just going to talk through this one. 5, 10. What number comes after 10 if I'm counting by 5s? 15. So I'd add in 15 for that question mark. 20, 25. I'd add in 30 here. 35, and then 40. And then counting by tens, we all know how to count by tens. All you have to do is double click the question marks and fill in what the missing numbers are. When you're all done with this screen, that's the bottom one, then you can turn it into Google Classroom and your teacher will check your answers.